everyone. I don't want to call their names. Good morning, everyone. Children, I don't want to call your name. I want.
Good morning.
Yes, I want everyone. Good morning. I want everyone sit with the camera on, please, in my class. Last warning. After 1 minute, I will remove the child from the class if the camera is off.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. So, children, as you know that we are going to start the new chapter number 10, play with patterns. Turn on your camera and sit in the class. Why don't you children listen? Jignesh, sorry to say that at last I had called your name. Where are you? Okay. Now I don't want any child to sit with the camera off. I want everyone sit with the camera on, and I hope everyone know the timings. Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, is my camera on?
No, Dhvani, it's off. Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, I'm out.
Now it's on. Okay, what are you trying to show me, Krisha? Let me pin you. You are trying to show me something.
Ma'am, this is
What
a
is this?
keychain. There is a rice in it, and there's my name written.
Okay.
Ma'am, just a
It is
second.
not clearly visible to me, but it's good.
It's my name written on this.
Okay. Good, good. So keep this aside now. Start learning. We are going to start the new chapter, students. In maths, the name of the chapter is Play with. What is the name of the chapter? Moin Kuledi, you know, you are 2 minutes late in my class.
Play with patterns.
The name of the chapter is Play with Patterns. So you can tell me, anyone can raise your hand and tell me why the name is Play with Patterns. So what are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, we are going to learn different types of patterns.
Shivangini, we have a classroom now. Raise your hand. I will call your name. Yes, now speak, Shivangini.
Ma'am, we are going to learn different types of patterns.
Okay. So now Viha will tell us. Viha, what do you understand by the word pattern?
Ma'am, pattern is like some pictures or numbers, letters, and they are in one order randomly.
Okay. Who will tell me? Any other child who will explain me about what is pattern? Raise your virtual hand and tell me. Yes, Hare. Hare, Shivani, Hare, then Shivani.
We will draw some and learn about it. We will draw some patterns and learn about it.
But what is pattern? What do you observe about the pattern?
The pattern is that used in clothes and any other etc. thing.
Okay. Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, like some different designs. We'll learn how to make it.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am, can I please?
Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, a pattern is we have to follow the pattern which first is there. Means
What?
first is. Ma'am,
can I?
Wait, Pragyan, I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am, we have to follow the pattern which is given first.
But what is exactly the pattern? Definition of a pattern. What is the definition of a pattern? Who can describe me? It's yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, pattern is type of a design. Like I have a pattern of triangle. I have made different
So children, only pattern in the designs, in numbers, in letters only. You have not observed the pattern in nature.
Yes, ma'am.
Flowers also have pattern in the petals.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
One is small, one is big, then one is small, one is big, right? Mountains also have a pattern, one big and then one small. It is a natural pattern. So, what do you understand by the pattern? Pattern means a sequence or a series which is repeating, right? Which is repeating, जो कुछ repeat होती है certain point के बाद. Suppose I am writing 1 1 2 2. Again I am writing 1 1 2 2. So yes, this is a pattern which is repeating, right? Repeated pattern. Pattern in nature also you see. Pattern in shapes you see. Pattern in designs, in tablecloth, in your bed sheet, everywhere you see the pattern. In your curtains, you see the pattern. Yes or no? Because after certain time, something is repeating, and that repetition, really looks good. Wait a minute, I'll show you one thing also in the with. Yes, is this, yes, please, Arush, go. Is this visible to you, all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there something pattern which is repeating?
Yes, ma'am.
It is a third quality, the pattern.
Yes. Can you see first this side and then again coming straight? This type of patterns we are going to. What are you doing, Astha, bata? I know that is this very good, but please put your hand
Ma'am,
down.
this is pattern.
Yeah, you're showing the pattern, so you should say, no, there is a pattern. Show me. See, Asta put a mendi, and her mendi is also in some kind of pattern. One is thick line, then thin line, then thick line, then thin line. Very good, Asta. So here also you can see the pattern. One is sleeping over, one is standing over, then sleeping over, then standing over. Yes, you can see in that also. You can see pattern in your curtains. You can see pattern bed sheets, pattern on in your nature. We see morning coming, then again evening, then night, then again coming morning, evening, night. This is also a pattern. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In your 12-hour clock, 12 is coming, then again 3 is coming, 6 is coming. After certain timing, then again 12 is coming, 3 is coming. It is repeating. So these are the pattern when it is repeating, when the sequence or the series or something or the designs, when after certain time when we are repeating them, then it is called the pattern. तब वो pattern बन जाता है जब हम उसको repeat करते हैं कुछ time के बाद. For example, first I did 2 standing lines, 1, then I did 2, 2 times 2, then 1, then 2 times 2. Same way if I do with the A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. So I am repeating the pattern here. This is also called one type of pattern. Same comes in the shapes also. One I did triangle, then circle, then I did triangle, then circle, then I did triangle, then circle. So you can see here also it is repeating. So it is called a pattern. When the design is repeating, it is become the pattern. Clear, everyone? I'm going to show you one video, then we will discuss more, and then we will play a quiz also.
You will send the quiz link.
Not yet, beta.
No, ma'am, I'm asking that you
I will share with you all, but don't excited for the quiz. First understand. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to mute
Yes,
myself.
ma'am.
Listen this video very, very carefully. Okay.
Thinking of great ideas takes up so much time. Designs from around the world. This book should give me some ideas. These designs are great, and some of them seem to be formed from the same tiny design being repeated over and over again. Hey, Dr. O, take a look at this.
You are right, JC. This design is made of the same pattern being repeated over and over again. You want to learn more about patterns, JC?
Yes, Dr. O. Let's learn the concept of patterns together.
A pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers, or designs are repeated over and over again. Patterns are found everywhere in our world. You can see patterns in the floor tiles of your room, in flowers, in architecture, and in objects that we use every day. Take a look at this t-shirt, JC. The triangles on it form a pattern. The pattern is formed by a triangle, followed by an upside-down triangle being repeated over and over again. Once you identify a pattern, you can take it forward yourself.
Completing patterns is quite easy.
Yes, JC. All you need to do is first decide the shapes or numbers that you will use and arrange them in a particular pattern. Let's take a look at some patterns and see if we can complete them ourselves. Let's look at this pattern now. You must have noticed that in this figure, a circle follows a square and a square follows a circle. This is the pattern rule of this figure. Patterns which show this type of continuity are known as continuing patterns. Let's complete this pattern. To complete this pattern, we will continue the series of a circle followed by a square. And a square follows a
Ritika, pay
circle.
attention here.
Now look carefully. Can you identify the pattern rule here?
Yes, Dr. O. A triangle is followed by an upside-down triangle and then a circle. These three shapes are repeated once more in the pattern.
Now let's repeat these shapes and continue the pattern. Do you know, JC, that even numbers follow patterns? Let me show you an example. Can you identify the pattern rule here?
4, 40, 400, 4,000. Not really.
Tell me the next
If
students
you-
what will come.
Ma'am, can I?
40,000.
So what is the rule they are? Who is saying 4 lakhs?
40,000. 40,000.
Okay, 40,000. And if there is more,
40,000.
okay, if there,
40,000.
okay. And if they give you 2 dash, so you will follow the pattern and complete the pattern. Okay. Now my next is what they are doing. What is the rule they are applying here?
Ma'am, adding a zero.
Ma'am, adding the zeros.
How we add the zero?
9 plus.
When a number is being multiplied by that number. So 4 multiplied by 10, we do 40. Then 4 multiplied by again 40 multiplied by again 10 will be 400. 400 multiplied by 10 will be 4000.
4,000.
So each number is being multiplied by the 10.
40,000.
So the rule here is each number is multiplying by 10.
10.
This is the rule. You cannot say 0 is added. 0 is added, but there is something rule, right?
Yes.
So sometimes multiplication rule, sometimes addition rule, sometimes subtraction rule. Dee Kinsara, you know the timing of the class?
Hello.
My dear? Yes.
Ma'am, actually we had gone for his blood test.
Okay.
So we've just come in. So we are still on the way. He's just joining the class.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Just please, yeah. If this such kind of problem, ma'am, please mail it to us so we should be well informed.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll do it next time.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So this is also one pattern where we are multiplying. Sometimes you get addition pattern, sometimes you get subtraction pattern. So that you need to observe, are we adding, are we subtracting? So that's that. Suppose if I do write 2 here, is my board visible to you all? Then I write 4, then I write 6, then I write 8. I can say that I am adding 2 to each number, or I can say that I am saying the table of 2. Yes, or no? And
Yes,
each time I am adding 2 to that given number. So I'm getting the next number. So this is the rule of we are adding 2. That this way we write the rules. Suppose if I am writing 5, then I am writing 3, then I am writing 1. So I am every time subtracting what?
Ma'am,
2. Minus 2, or you can say what I am writing. I'm writing the odd numbers.
odd number.
Right, from 5, then I came to 3, then I came to 1. This way I'm writing the odd numbers. So these are the rules of the pattern which you need to observe the beginning pattern and follow up. Okay, I'm muting myself. Please continue with the video.
you look carefully, you will see that the previous number, when multiplied by 10, gives the next number. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. 40 multiplied by 10 is equal to 400. 400 multiplied by 10 is equal to 4000. JC, can you guess what's the next number?
The next number is 4000 multiplied by 10. That is 40,000.
That's good. Now let's try another pattern.
1, 3, 4, 7, 11, 18. Now this looks tricky.
Here's how. We add the previous number to the current number to get the next number. So what's the next number after 18?
Ma'am, 21.
Just a minute, students. Yes. So children, you can see here this pattern is little tricky. What they did, 1 plus 3, then 4, then 4 plus 7, then make the 11. Then 11, 7 plus 11 makes the 18. So what are you going to do next?
Ma'am, 11 plus 18.
Yes, ma'am.
11 plus
18.
18, 21.
Let's
20.
see.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's 29.
Ma'am, 18 plus 11. 29, ma'am. 11.
Yes. Now check the answer.
The next number is 11 plus 18 equals to 29.
Some patterns around us are known to be symmetrical. Do you remember what line symmetry is? If a figure or pattern can be folded into mirror halves so that one half fits exactly on top of the other, then we say it has got line symmetry. This line that divides the figure into mirror halves is called the line of symmetry. Let's take this butterfly for example. The line of symmetry divides the figure of the butterfly into equal and identical halves. Let's complete this pattern along its line of symmetry. This pattern has 4 lines of symmetry. While completing this pattern, we must take into account not only its shape, but also its color. So, JC, did you enjoy working with patterns?
Yes, Dr. O. And now that you have taught me all about patterns, I think I'll keep observing them wherever I go.
That's great, JC.
Yes, thank you, Dr. O. Let's revise all that we have learnt about patterns. A pattern is formed when a set of shapes, numbers, or designs are repeated over and over again. While completing continuing patterns, identify the pattern rule. While completing a pattern along its line of symmetry, draw the other half so that the halves fit together perfectly when the shape pattern is folded in half.
So are you all clear about the patterns till now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, now we are going to learn about the children, as I was discussing about the repeating pattern. Suppose you know this triangle is in blue color, suppose, right? Then circle is in red color. Then triangle is in blue color. Then circle will come in which
Ma'am,
color?
your voice is not coming.
Red color.
Ma'am, the red color.
So when the pattern is repeating, when the shapes are repeating, the color also will repeat. Clear? Am I clear with you all? So
Over and over.
yes, keep on repeating again and again. But color, please take a note when you are repeating. Yes, Arush, you have a problem with your network. Log out and log in.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Someone please tell Arush to log out and log in.
Ayush, log out and log in again. Ayush, log out and log in again.
Dhwani, are you there? No, he logged out. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. He will come. So children, when we are learning about the
I'm there.
patterns, okay. So when we are learning about the patterns, please take a note. The color also will repeat. Am I clear with you all? Along with the pattern, color also will repeat. Now children, when you see in your textbook, NCERT textbook, page number 107, Tinu used this block to make a sari. So you can see block. You all know what is block?
Ma'am, page number.
107. Okay, ma'am. And Deep. Okay, Deep. So, children, you know what are blocks?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell me? Shivani, tell me what are blocks.
Ma'am, like stamp print. Hello, ma'am, stamp print.
Yes, stamps for the printing. These are the blocks, right? In when we do block painting, no, we use the blocks for stencils for the painting. So I will also, and you know, we can make the blocks at home also. You can take the potato, cut any shape, cut it into half, make a flower on it, cut it, and you can make the potato block at home also.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can make the lady finger block at home also. How? Cut the lady finger and you will get the upper part, no? That will be act as a block. And that block, when you dip into the color, you can easily make the block.
Ma'am, these things we have done in last year in the art and craft color.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. So this way you can make your own blocks at home also and do the block painting. But when you want to make a patterns with the blocks, so you need to use it properly, right? Sometimes what happen, we use the blocks and the patterns clockwise and the anti-clockwise. So what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise, we will learn today. Okay, suppose you know this is a clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Clock is having 2 here, 3 here, 6 here, 9 here, and you all know that, assume it as a circle, and you all have learned this is 1/4 part, and when two parts will be mixed, this is
2/4.
and this is when three parts will make, this is this, all the three parts together will be 3/4, and this is will be the 4/4 whole. But if you talk about individual 1/4, that this is also 1/4, this is also 1/4, this is also 1/4, or this is also 1/4. But the दो part को मिला लेंगे तो it will become 2/4, and 2/4 is also called the half, 1/2, right? This you all know. So this way, clockwise, when we move the object, suppose I have a marker in my hand. I have a marker in my hand. I am holding it like this right now. And when I say turn it clockwise, clockwise means move it to the right side.
Right side.
Clockwise 1/4 turn. So you can see the marker is changed. The position of the marker is changed.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I make a pattern like this, first I did like this, and if I'm telling you turn it 1/4 clockwise, the marker position will become like this. Yes or no? And then again I am telling you turn 1/4 from the original, then 1/4. Now if I'm telling you from the original position, turn the half clockwise. So half turn clockwise, you know, it will be the position of the marker will be like this. 3/4 clockwise, the position of the marker will be this. And
Side.
one whole clockwise, the position will be like this. Yes or no? Now anti-clockwise will come when we are moving towards the when we are moving.
Ma'am, you start.
Ma'am, you were stuck in between.
Now
Now it's clear. Now you're not.
Now, if we children, if I say move it to the anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise means you need to move the objects towards the left. Suppose this is the original position of a marker, and you have to turn it the anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. So this is the 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. Half a turn anti-clockwise. So this is the half a turn of anti-clockwise. And if I say what is the position when you turn to 3/4 turn anti-clockwise, this is the position.
Ma'am, the right side.
Same come with letters, numbers, anything. Suppose if I have suppose I am writing the letter arrows. First I will teach you with the arrows. This is the original position. 1/4 turn. This you can call it as 1/4 turn clockwise. This you can say half a turn clockwise. पहले ऐसा था 1/4 हुआ, फिर half हुआ, and then again वो 3/4 पे आया. And can you tell me what will be the next two patterns if I fill? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Shivani. One you will tell only. One blank.
Ma'am, the arrow. Ma'am, the arrows up will be the same like the first one.
Original position. Yes, Dhwani. Next.
Yes, ma'am. I'll go right side.
Hello, ma'am, left side.
What will come next, Mohammed, if I give you more to fill?
Ma'am, half. Ma'am, half.
Half. So it will be like this. And then next will be Asta.
Ma'am, arrow moves right.
Right or left?
Ma'am, left.
This is the left side. Na? So you can see the first I gave you 4 patterns and then you have completed the other pattern. Yes or no? Same comes with the letters also. Suppose if I am writing the letter A and then I am writing the letter A with the 1/4 turn. And then I am writing the letter A with half a turn. Can you tell me where will the letter A will go in the next?
Ma'am, can I?
Left.
Left side.
It will come like this.
Third, fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
Third, fourth,
Yes,
three
ma'am.
fourths.
Ma'am, left hand.
This is, it will go like this, and then again it will come to the original position.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
same will come with any of the letters, with any of the numbers. This way, this is called the clockwise and anti-clockwise turn of a pattern. So here also what they did with the blocks, they make the many designs you can see in your textbook, right? First they put the arrow this and then they this and then this way and then this way. So this way they have created a pattern of a flower. You can see, है ना? Block तो एक ही था. जब नीचे वाले picture में when you see with the one block only they have created the flower. I have a one block of triangle, but I am putting the triangle in this way. Then I am putting a triangle in this way. Then I am putting a triangle in this way. Can you see one different pattern has been created with the one block only?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's creating a pattern with only one block.
One block, and by I am changing them clockwise and anti-clockwise turnings, so they are giving you the pattern of a flower. Yes or no? I am going to give you a one quiz link in the chat box, students. Go to the quiz link and start playing.
Ma'am, my camera is not turning on.
It's okay. Today you have a problem, no? That you are outside.
No, ma'am, I am now at home.
Okay, so it's okay if your camera is not on, but are you doing? Are you able to listen me and hear me?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
see me? Okay. So children, the quiz link is pasted in the classroom. Please go to the quiz link.
It isn't. I have not gotten the classroom the link.
Not classroom. Chat box.
You said classroom.
No, sorry. Go to chat box fast and enter because I'm going to start. Once I will start, you will not able to enter. Please enter fast. Games quiz started. Only 14 students enter. Please enter, students. What about the others? Are you all able to enter or not?
Ma'am, all done and I am on the first.
Let me see. Jignesh and Dheer. Where they are coming up. What happened to Pritika not playing? What happened to Shivani? Laksh?
Counting.
काउंटिंग बच्चा काउंटिंग में इतनी देर. I'll give you 2 minutes more. Please do it fast.
Mama, I have completed my link.
Okay. So first, second, and third are already visible.
When you will end, then it will show the result.
It will show the result, but still some are doing, no?
Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Hare, speak.
In last question, there has come. And is your teacher monster?
Nothing is like that, bacha.
Oh, like there is a.
I don't know what are you doing. Please do these questions.
I'm saying about me. Ma'am, I got 80. Ma'am, I got 60. Mellow, ma'am, I got 60.
I'm going to end the quiz, students.
Yes, ma'am, you can end.
My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First is Jignesh, second is Dheer, and the third is Araf Apani. Excellent to the. And these are the Ahare, Arav, MasterCard, Dheer, Jignesh. Congratulations to the winners. So please, this way, when you do the quizzes, you will be more confident and the quick to solve these type of questions, right? So I will come with more quizzes. Please be ready in the classes and be active. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.